Hey, what's going on, guys? Riding with the Dean, www.themanmindset.com. You know, I was asked the question, when's the best time to ask a woman out on a date? And this is kind of a two-part answer because there's not really one solid answer. It is based off of what you do, not what she does. The first one is, the first way is when I'm saying that when a lot of you guys, if you make it on the telephone, okay, if you're having telephone conversations with her, I would usually say by the second or third phone call, you should set up the date. And let me tell you why. For a lot of you guys, you should be able to get to know her a little bit better. Through the first and second phone conversation, where you can let her know after the second or third one that, you know, hey, why don't we go out sometime? You know, so I, you know, spend some time with you, or, you know, not necessarily get to know her better because you should know her pretty well at that time. But that's when you're on the telephone. When you're on the phone, no more than the third phone call that you have with her that you should be setting something up. If you don't set something up early, what's going to happen is you're going to get in this free flow cycle of just phone conversations, and the longer you wait, the deeper you'll fall into that friend zone or that I'm not sure. You need to let these women know from get-go, hey, I want to take you out. Why don't we go do this? Be assertive and let her know what you want to do. Now, the second one is the text messaging. Now, this is a little bit tricky because it's based off of how your text conversations go. For a lot of you guys, I always say you should always, especially if you're on Facebook Messenger, you should be able to text a little bit and then move to voice message, move to video, and maybe to phone, or skip from text straight to phone. Now, if you're just text messaging a woman and you're not really talking about much, it's going to be kind of hard to ask her to go out because you're not going to really be able to get to know her that well. I always feel like the best way that you can do all of this is by sending some text messages to her and telling her to call you. You know, direct her to call you so you can hear her voice, because a lot of women are not going to transition straight from text messaging to the date. They want to feel you out. They want to get to know you a little bit better. That's why I always say when you're texting her, make sure your text hit the mark. Make sure you just don't have frivolous, boring text messages, because that is going to push things further back. What I want you to do is I want you to text her a little bit. Once you text her some, transition her either from the text messaging to the voicemail or from text messaging straight to the phone. But as long as you keep it text messaging, it's going to be harder for you to ask her to go out on a date because technically she doesn't know you well enough. And nowadays women are more cautious. So remember, when it comes to the telephone, make sure you do it after the second or third phone conversation that you have. It'll make it known that you are interested in her and you want to take her out. Now, again, what I mean by taking her out, feed the ducks, ice cream, coffee or tea, something light, something small. Doesn't have to be heavy, okay? We don't do heavy here. Now, and last thing I want to say when it comes to text messaging, make sure that when you text her, that your text messages have some thunder to it, some heat behind it, where she's going to go from curiosity to attention, curiosity to attention. If you can do that, then your chances are once you get her on the phone, then while you're talking to her, you can go ahead and set everything up because you did everything on the back end with your texting. So hopefully I was able to answer those questions and everything. And if you have any questions and you want to talk, this is Ryan with the Dean, www.themanmindset.com. Holler at me later and we'll definitely go from there. But remember, very simple. Telephone, no more than 3 phone calls. Texting depends on how fast you can transition to either get voice messages or get on the phone with her, okay? I'll talk to you later, guys. Peace.